Hello there! Today we've been sent a product from rcmoment.com. This is a Chinese company. They sell all sorts of RC stuff. If you want to have a look at these guys, take a look in the description box right below this video. So, Martin, what are we looking at today?
We're looking at the WLtoys Vortex A959-B.
A959-B, that is a...
It's a cracking name.
That's a cracking name. So yeah, it's a buggy. So we've been sent this. There's loads of different models on this thing. You'll see them there on the box. There's absolutely loads of them to choose from. We've gone for the green model there on the top right hand corner. It's the buggy model. So I think we should really get inside this and have a look at it. I've got my trusty cheese knife. Oh yeah. And then let's have a little look inside. So straight away, what have we got in there?
Manual.
A manual.
And a nice green little car.
A green little car. Okay, so what is... Oh, brilliant. So if you're in the UK like us, you get an adapter so you can plug it in here and charge up your battery because it's a ready-to-run truck. Oh. So we'll get rid of the box for a minute, plonk this here. Pretty good looking piece of kit, really. What I have to say is I love the name on the side of the body shell. Headphones. Strength headphones. You what? Strength. The truck should now lift off of here. There we have it. So that's the truck. It's actually quite heavy and there's a lot of features on this that we'll go through in a minute because it looks quite interesting. It's got some cool features, proper steering servo, a decent sized brush motor, obviously an ESC, it takes 2-cell LiPo and it comes with 2-cell LiPo. So, that's pretty cool. Right, towards you, me to you. Right, okay, there we go. So, on the inside of this thing, I'm just making it just go along here really. This is the charger. Okay, so, we've got a standard charger that comes with it. You get a little wheel wrench, it's pretty cool. And a little charger as well. This is a 2-cell balance charger, so you just plug your balance charger connector in here.
Scissors.
We're supposed to be doing a giveaway on this thing. One transmitter. That is
quality, mate.
That could poke someone's eye out, that could. So this is a pretty standard transmitter, 2.4 gigahertz. Got a layer on the top here. You've got a steering wheel for steering left and right. It's proportional, so the more you steer, the more it'll actually turn. You've got go and brake and reverse here on the trigger. There's a power button here. There's a few trim settings as well, to be fair, which is pretty nice to see. And then underneath, it takes its 4 AA batteries. Okay. Woo!
Should we open this bad boy then?
I think we should have a look at it and see what's inside. So let's just take the body clips off straight away here. And you can see the shell will just pop off. So that's just a Perspex plastic shell with some sort of pre-painted body design on it. It's pretty nice, to be fair. If we look inside the truck, you can see straight away that it's pretty neatly packaged. There's a huge 540 can brushed motor here sitting on a motor plate mount. So that'll obviously have some strength to it to keep it in place. And it is also a 4-wheel drive truck. So as you can see, that all 4 wheels go together. I believe there is a front and a rear differential. Also as well, we were discussing earlier on that the metal shock caps really look quite cool because the blue chassis plate and those shock caps kind of match. And the fact it's got those just out of the box is pretty nice because a lot of the time the shocks just pop off. But in this case, obviously, they're pretty strong, they shouldn't do that. The steering servo sits at the front here. And then the ESC sits on the other side, so just sits here. It's got a Dean's plug connector for your battery, which is obviously built in here. You can just remove that and charge it up. So that's the underneath. The wheels are actually held on with nuts rather than screws. And there are metal dog bones going through to the wheels and the axles. So I'll try and bring you in close on that.
So we have a 2-cell LiPo battery here. Already has a Dean's connector fitted, which is really good. It's good to see. Held in by a nice Velcro strap. Fits in really quite snug in there, which is really good because there's no good movement when it's going to be riding around.
So the truck itself has fully independent suspension. So all 4 wheels can move independently, which is pretty good. I mean, this is a cheap truck. It doesn't cost an awful lot of money, not for something that does sort of 30 miles an hour. you know, out of the box. Not the beep.
Beep, beep,
Beep, beep. Go on then, you should be able to accelerate with this beast. Jesus.
There's no delay in that.
Bloody hell!
It's time for it.
Yeah, power. That looks quite fast, guys. Speed and power. Oh yeah, that looks pretty good, you know. Quite fast.
Okay guys, so we're going to have a giveaway on this truck today. So after we've had a bit of a drive today, we're going to box it back up and drop a comment in the comments below. Tell us why you want the truck, and we'll pick out some guy from random. Yeah,
so a free truck. Anyone that comments, we will make sure that we pick somebody, and you'll get the truck shipped out to you. I'll personal message you, and you'll get this truck in the post.
Oh, I'm ready. Full power. Nice. It is quick, that's for sure. Out the box. Whoa! Oh, man down, and he's back. That was impressive. Yes. But it can't jump for toffee.
Had a lot of fun with this car today. We had about 15 minutes running time on it. It's super fast. The tyres are really good. It's absolutely brilliant on flat tarmac.
And what I noticed as well, the tyres haven't worn down at all, have they?
No.
You know, considering they have a lot of traction and they're sort of very grippy, but at the same time there's a lot of power in this truck, so for obvious reasons.
Yeah, they're very basic. There's no sponge or anything in these tyres.
No.
It goes like a rocket.
Yeah, it's quick, very, very quick.
The only thing I'd say is it's definitely not a jumping car. As you've seen in the video, but it bounces well. I mean, there's no damage to it at all.
No, and that's the one thing we were really impressed with. I mean, the fact that this is £60, you can buy this in the UK on Amazon, you can buy it directly from rcmoment.com. 60 quid gets you a 30 mile an hour plus car out the box with a battery, and it's robust. It's really strong. I mean, we crashed it like you saw in the footage, no end of times, and as you can see, there's no damage to the truck at all.
Yeah, I mean, it's a lovely little car. I mean, for an entry level car, it's well worth 60 quid.
Definitely.
You want to start driving cars, RC cars, this would be an excellent starting point.
Fantastic, isn't it? Yeah. And I just want to thank rcmoment.com again for sending me this product today. Like I said at the beginning, if you want to have a look at this product, the link will be in the description box right underneath this video if you want to check it out. Thanks for watching then, guys. We'll see you next time. If you give me a thumbs up, a comment if you want to, and don't forget about the giveaway. See you next time.